Yeah guys, so I'm here with you one more time. So I am on Miriam Road. You know, Miriam Road. So if you know about like Duffy Gate, yeah man, them call it Duffy Gate. That's like Camp Road. So you come down like on Camp Road and you come on Miriam Road. So from once you find Duffy Gate, man, you come up the steep right here. So you know there's you find Miriam Road. And where I'm at right now, where they do the jerk chicken and them do all type of thing inside here. They play a game. So all I love game, this is where you have to come after work. So there's an after work settings, you know, so because some I want, but mostly still I come for the jerk chicken. Yeah. So I always drive past right here and see the jerk chicken man. So I'm come find out what I'm doing today. So this is on Miriam Road. Yeah man, so Davey and Taste will tell you already, like I said, I'd find them wherever they are. So let us see a little view on the road right here, what's going on right now. Yeah man, Miriam Road. Yeah guys, so we are actually inside of the yard right now. So the yard business, you know, look at our authentic vibes we're going on here. So with a great chicken man right here. Yes man, see right here, so I'm going to tell you everything we're going boy, so now. Yeah. Right here, so what did I say now? Great chicken on going right here. Beautiful. Chicken right here. Nice chicken.
Show them.
So right here, so you have a lot of jerking going right here. So what on jerky? What will you do right here? I said jerk chicken and I see an expand over there.
Burger,
so what will you do right in here?
We have burger, fried chicken,
yeah,
jerk chicken,
yeah,
fries,
yeah,
and alcohol, liquor.
Oh, so the liquor too?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you know I always like when we play like gaming and all them thing in here. So.
Yeah, domino.
Domino. Yes.
Poker.
Yeah.
All day, man.
Right here.
Right
so
here.
When is the best time to come out here, so now? Tell them when the best time to come out here.
And Friday, Saturday, I want
better day. So come, Friday and Saturday.
Friday and
they get
Saturday.
a game and them stuff.
Yeah,
man. It's like a beautiful thing going on here, so man. So hold on there. Tell them what going on, man. Tell them what going on. What's your name?
Big fat Chuko drive taxi across road.
Yeah, big up who?
Big up Chuko.
Who's Chuko?
Yeah, we love chat.
Chuko.
Yeah, cross road taxi man. Big fat Chuko.
Alright. So Chuko jerk too. Yes man. So jerky, tell him any name now. Tell him
yeah man, they call him Pumpkin. That's Wayne Veneer say, but Pumpkin.
Alright, otherwise called Jerky.
Know me as Jerky. Yeah man.
So, alright, Jerky. So the people them come boys, you know, them just park alongside the road. They can park alongside the roadside as well when them come.
Yeah man, good parking.
Nice. So this is the great Pumpkin. Yes, I don't know what they call him Pumpkin, maybe love Pumpkin.
From baby days, a Pumpkin baby first, but then drop off the baby.
Oh, I just call it Pumpkin. Alright, boss.
Yes.
So this is one of your great friend right here,
yes.
So comfortable for the chicken. Nice. That's where I go on, man. So guess what? We're gonna show them the domino ends and them thing we're going on. Beautiful setting of the yard, man. Beautiful setting of going on the yard. And over here, so we have some more jerky going right here now. So Pumpkin, so what did the jerky? You see on this?
Yeah, it's a Chuko pan, man.
Chuko pan. So Chuko there. Call Chuko, man. Come in, Chuko.
See me.
Come in,
Chuko.
Yes, man.
Chuko, come in, man. Chuko.
Yeah. Alright. So this is Chuko.
Yeah.
This is a great Chuko. Great Chuko. With him jerk chicken right here.
Right, that's all.
So, hold on, Chuko, you know the pork.
Come in again, man.
Alright, Chuka calm in the ends. Yeah, man, Chuka calm in the ends. Chuka calm go on, yeah. So this is the great Chuko.
Right from the
yes, man. Alright.
Deep fryer on here.
So you say food bar on a Chuko?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Fries.
Whoa. See ya.
Fries.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man.
What do you say?
Great burger.
Burger. Oh, you the burger too?
Yeah, man. Lettuce and tomato.
Nice. Yeah.
Burger bread, yes, ready.
Big thing about on the ends on Chuko.
Burger bread, ready.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Burger over here.
Fries served with cheese.
Nice. And it's the cheese. Yeah. So hold on there. So you do fried chicken.
Yeah, man, see fried chicken, man.
Fried chicken ready?
Fried chicken ready, man.
Oh, see the fried chicken
and see the burger meat.
And the burger meat.
Yeah, man.
That's what Chuko, you're going with things, man.
Yeah.
You're going with things. So Chuko, you're a man out there, I'm out there, say boy.
I'm a brother in a
Chuko will drive taxi. See you drive taxi?
Drive taxi too, yeah.
So this is just on the side?
On the side.
Oh, so hold on there. I'm a pumpkin at the star. Are you at the star?
Me at the star.
You at the star, boy?
Me at the star.
So,
yeah, man,
so hold on there. I some things are pumpkin at the man, you know. And Chuko the man.
Chuko the man.
Chuko the man. But guess what now? And the whole of them man tonight, you know.
Yeah.
So Chuko just show what I want him do a while ago. So Chuko, so tell him when the best time they can come boy and get them burger and them fries.
Friday even at the right time.
Friday even at the right time.
Friday even. When it touch 5 o'clock.
Nice.
We're ready.
Ready.
Deep fryer on ya.
Nice.
Deep fryer on ya. Fries ready.
Nice.
Serve to order. Fries ready and wait.
So Chuko, it's like some domino are going around this, you know. So them there, you look a friend them come play them.
Yeah, man, every night them there.
Every night.
Yeah, gambling going around this too.
Oh, they gamble.
Gamble around this.
So me ask you, Chuko, well, I'm not cut you, but in terms of like, you know, I look a man them yard and know me and watch my and work somewhere I want him play for them, come in, come play. When people can test them like, a man come and say, boy, I want to test the best man.
Of course.
So they give me like challenge on them thing.
Yeah, man.
What?
Anytime you're ready, man.
So you have the money running ready?
Ready.
Alright, Chuko saying ready for no. So anybody feel like they can come take and Chuko on the. Tell them which road. Tell them where to find him.
Marion Road.
Marion.
Right beside Duppy Gate.
Give them the number.
47 Marion Road.
Nice.
Just below Upper Cap Mobile Reserve.
Nice.
Yeah, Arman Barracks.
So anybody feel like them bad pandamino, come test Chuko.
Test Chuko.
Test
Anytime.
Chuko. Anytime they're ready. Any day.
Yeah.
Ah, Chuko.
Yeah,
so hold on, Chuko, you do like juice and them things.
No, it's shop.
Oh, the shop out there, so.
Shop of all kind of juice. Any kind of juice. From liquor.
Nice.
Right down to soft juice. Anything
That's
you want.
on Friday night and Saturday night.
Friday night and Saturday night.
Saturday night and Friday night. And it's no problem for them to park up on the sidewalk.
No, man, no problem.
Beautiful, Chuko. So what time you lock, Chuko?
Straight back to that 1, 2.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
You start early.
Start from 5.
Start from 5.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to go. We're there on the Chuko.
TV there. On Saturday, come here, you can watch any games you want.
Ah.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful, Chuko. So you say the shop do the juice and you just do your fries and things. Nice, man. So let's stick around Chuko and so I go on. So anything that special than fries, Chuko, you never like porridge or something?
No, no, like porridge.
Or just straight fries?
Porridge morning time.
Morning time?
Yeah.
Yeah, evening time?
Evening time, man.
Evening, man. Alright, Chuko. This is the line now. So Chuko saying beef fries right here. Hold on. Wow, Chuko, so Chuko, may I ask you a question? So you see the taxi service?
Straight through.
So me ask you now, so you just park it now and just a cook?
It's a parking on.
So you're a chef differently?
Chef differently.
You just go to the kitchen and say, boy, taxi.
Taxi.
I just do this on the side right now.
Yeah, taxi in the day and the evening, yeah, so we're there.
Nice. So Chuko, how long you cook?
Well, why now in about 2000, start officially,
Yeah.
2016.
2016.
Yeah.
Nice.
We used to do catering, but chefs they get sick. I kind of lose to the contract because original chef they sick.
Yeah.
And try other chef and them never up to par. So the place where I send the lunch them to, they start complaining and it was difficult to get a good chef.
I don't cut your Chuko, so you tell me so now. Hold on, you do rice and peas and things too?
Yeah.
Nice. So somebody can call in for you and say, yo, Chuko, line up about 20 burger for me and some rice and peas.
Yeah, and then what do you see what do Chris Brown come here?
Yeah.
And me get a contract in for the cook food for him.
I'm talking
on him plate.
Hold on, it's a star me I talk to man.
I think at no big man level.
Yeah.
Yeah, when Chris Brown come out there.
Yeah.
Him order stew chicken, white rice, and mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
And I made them thing the film.
Nice.
Dropped at the airport for the private aircraft and I ate that. Yeah, man.
Chuko, you gone? But Chuko big already.
Yeah.
So I find the right man at the right time.
The right man at the right time.
Oh, Chuko. So guess what I go on, Chuko? I feel like I'm going to take on a man for the domino game and I make the fans them see me play. Hey, I'm going to take on one of the best, man, you know. You know why, Chuko? Guess what? I'm matching him up, I'm going to beat him. Like, nah, I can't read my hand.
but you know what, no? It's right now, I can't play a domino because yes, I'm a penetrator. No,
Chuko, you need a test, man. You test what you're showing them.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to show them domino tape, you know.
Yeah.
So, Chuko, me soon come back here again.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, boss.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Alright, seat over here. So here we find a good old domino table, domino settings. Yeah, man, so if a gaming is going right off here, so guys, yes, domino table here. And over here we have the card game as well. Yes, guys, then here. Yes, man, so what if a phones are going right here? So when you eat your chicken and thing, you just come right off here and play a game or two.
Boss, Aaron,
yes,
Aaron,
man.
what up here, Aaron?
So the Aaron are the great man.
Yeah, man, I'm on the boss of the place.
Alright, so Earl are the boss of the place. We're going over there with Earl now. So big up yourself, Earl.
I respect
Big up yourself. You say bad pandemic on Earl.
Yeah, man.
We're going to test you, you know.
Entirely.
We're going to test you, man. Come here, much, you know. We're going to beat you in Earl.
Entirely.
Alright, Earl, so I'm ready. Bless up on yourself.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, guys, hold up the hands, man. Right out of here, sir.
You know, so the great Jerry, anti-Dana driver. And there's anti-Dana.
Oh, so now I saw the bad one, you know.
Everywhere.
Jerry, see ya. Right. I mean, Jerry.
Anti-Dana go even worse.
Jerry, right to my boss in Jerry, because you don't want to carry here, though. You don't want to carry here. You hear that, Jerry? Alright, Jerry. Big up yourself, Jerry. Bless up. So, Jerry, so what you eat? Make sure I fish.
Saltfish.
Saltfish, are you mean? Hey, Jerry, lucky, you know. What I see it, man? Jerry, look, see that? Good old saltfish and dumpling. I mean, for your boss. Yes, man. Bless up, Jerry. You don't know. Alright. And the TV over here. You see, you can come in and watch your TV. Yes, man. See your TV right there going on. Whoa. This is very nice, man. Beautiful ends. Beautiful ends. Right here. Yes, man. So great old Jerry right here, so the name thing right here. Yeah, so Chuku and Jerry in the place. And Pumpkin. Yeah, man, pick up everybody, man.
Take a Pumpkin off feet already.
Pick up everybody. Yes, man. Pumpkin and the man, man. Pumpkin and the man.
Pumpkin and the foundation, Jerry. Pumpkin and the foundation, Jerry.
Nice. Yes, man.
Keep in the foundation, man. You have to compete with it.
Pumpkin at the foundation.
Yeah.
Of course. Oh, yeah, good old table. So.
But I'm holding foot, but keep going foot.
Let me say something to you now. All the people that want to come and say, boy, you know, like our pork to you know. You know the pork? I don't know, the straight chicken.
I'm telling you, I have mixed up the pork with the chicken. Like I know, you see man on it pork.
They don't want it mixed.
They don't want it mixed.
So you need another pan, man.
No, I mean the pan. Yeah, I get the next pan.
You need an next pan.
I do the pork for two, man.
Some man will play them and go and say, yo, you're right, you know, Jerry or Pumpkin. You don't really want a chicken or a pork, want you know.
I do the pork, man.
So they want to say pork and rum.
But yeah, I do the pork.
So I shop there now, they must sell rum.
People come out, yeah, man. People come out and request pork, you know, regular.
See pork.
Regular, yeah. Regular.
No,
I mean regular.
Yes, man.
But you some don't throw me alone. I'll
you alone. You don't want a second, man.
Want a third.
Second, right now, it's a strawberries are trouble, you know, your brother now. It's a strawberries, eh?
Strawberries, then.
Strawberries. Come in, strawberries. Come in, man. Are you right out, man? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Say strawberries are there, man. It's strawberries. Come in, man. It's a great strawberries. Great. Come in, strawberries. 40 people have strawberries. So, a strawberries, right there. It's a strawberries, Yes, man. Raphael Payne can give you a name out like that, so we give him a name, you know. Great strawberries. So I feel him today, you know. Can go global, like you know. Go global. Say everybody see me say, yo, strawberries. We see you on TV. Yeah, man. I see the bread here. The good old bread right here.
Yeah, man, national.
Yes, man. So I two jerky are going right there, you know. Two jerky are right here. Yes, man. And they are right here until about say 1 o'clock in the day. Well, it's a night, but you don't call it morning. You understand about a night for me, see you here. Yes, man. Good old jerk I'm on here. So you said it, how much a quart?
8 bills right now.
8 bills a quart. Nice. See him go for the boss over here.
Yeah.
8 bills a quart. So go on. Nice. Beautiful. Pass up.
Mobile reserve right, this out back gate.
So this is the reason the great Chuku. I tell you why you can come right here, so the ends is very safe. Don't have time, you don't worry about nothing right here. You come, you park right on the corner right here, right on the roadside. Yes, you can see some car park right. All the guys them inside playing domino, them park right over there. Anywhere on the roadside you can come park. Beautiful. No worries about right here. Nice. So what you say I want to go mobile reserve?
Yeah, man, I'm mobile reserve.
Right there.
Right
so
there.
them gonna come buy them chicken too.
Regular man.
You can tell us I'm asking pork, you know. Regular accident pork.
When the police them done work,
Yeah.
even them,
Yeah.
you have to them ends up.
And come play domino.
Play domino.
Alright, we're gonna stick around and play them with them. So like I said, the event taste bud is here for the gaming store at 9 here. You know, we'll find them everywhere. You know, come here, I said, boy, I drive past here at night time. I say, one little man here, so. You see my man come and tell me, say, no man, that big thing going in there, man. So that's how we reach now. I really see a bigger thing going in here. Can we have the what? We have the burger bread, we have the burger.
Yeah. Chicken burger.
Chicken burger, the fries.
Fries and
You understand?
loaded fries.
Nice.
Cheese and mayonnaise and
Whoa.
ketchup and pepper if you want.
So much for that?
Everything. Burger only for 650.
650.
Burger and fries for 850.
Nice.
Jerk chicken and fries for 1,000.
Nice.
Jerk chicken and bread for 8 bills.
Nice.
Fried chicken for 8 and 9.
Beautiful price on the man.
Yeah man, cheapest price on town man.
Yes man.
Where's the gang and get jerk chicken for 800?
Nice. of
Nowhere
course.
else.
Beautiful.
Everywhere's at 9 and 1,000 at least.
Yeah, yeah.
And everywhere you go jerk chicken alone have 1,000 at most places. And you get jerk chicken with burger.
Yeah.
Sorry, jerk chicken and fries for $1,000 only.
$1,000.
Jerk chicken and fries, just imagine that. Where's the gang get them prices?
Love it.
Herbs and-
Love
And
it.
a natural blended season we use.
So this are the money now.
Natural
Over here,
blended.
the next
Yeah man,
pumpkin, you know.
natural herbs and
Pumpkin, you know.
spice.
Yeah, man, natural.
Yeah. Natural see blend and you. So
okay.
yeah,
Yes,
get the well done.
Yes,
Yeah, man.
great,
Straight
great.
juicy chicken.
Nice,
Jerk
nice.
chicken.
Alright, so hold on a second. What if a lady stop off here and buy no chicken too?
See how the British are coming now.
Oh, the British come out buy
British are
thing.
coming man.
Alright.
Great British coming.
Yes, a British?
Keep it up on British man.
Alright.
That from them can see ya.
What do you mean? So you're the British?
Yeah, man.
You say put the British pan, say British here
Put
now.
that on it.
Great
Put that on the
British.
video.
Papa,
Put
British
that on
come
the
for your
video.
chicken. You come for your chicken, British?
Huh?
You come for your chicken tonight?
No, I'm not come for no chicken. I come look for my family.
Oh, you come look for your family?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Nice.
Come, nephew.
Alright, auntie.
Alright, so she come for your
Love,
family.
love.
Yes, man. What should I get our chicken to, man? Or yourself,
Yeah,
man,
man.
our burger. Yes, man. She's going down into the lawn. So you're gonna run to the domino table. Yeah, guys. So I'm telling you, beautiful setting right off here. So come down with the family, man. Come with your friend after work. You come right here after work jam. Yes, sir. It's because Taste was there and they turn off the music. I mean, no, say play music, you know. Yes, man.
Your Christmas music will turn
Yes, man, because I'm here. Them say, boy, make a turn off the music for you, not Taste bud. So when you're gone now, just turn off the music. So a whole heap of vibes are going down there. And see, him know what I name about that, I could call him tonight, you know. His name is Stroopies. I run the shop. Stroopies run the shop. Stroopies run the shop. We're going to show a Stroopy shop, man.
Where I shop, man? Where I run go?
Stroopy's name gone global, I don't know.
Ready, man. See each other.
What else?
Eh?
What are this one?
You cover.
Oh, the shopping board. You see now your pan, fly your pan. Oh, see, I prepare a burger right now. Beautiful. fries though.
Burger alone, burger and fries.
Burger alone.
Burger and fries. Burger and fries.
Guys, so I'm serving the morning right here, right now. I'm serving, so someone come for the burger and also the fries. Yes, so guys, that business literally now start to come up in the kitchen. So the kitchen I get hot. Yes, man, see them line up for them burger. Yes, it's not about jerk chicken alone. It's all about sometimes you have burger and you have your little thing right here. Yes, this one right here. Great triple with it. Triple with it right here.
I love Choco burger.
So the customer just gets her burger a while ago. They said, "No camera! I don't want to see I'm eating so much burger." So I say, "All right, get now come on the camera." Yes, man. So like we're going off here, you know. Beautiful lens, guys. So no worries to come down here, man.
Yeah, man, even early, you know, so people they are work and soon
come down here. Come turn around, man. See the great chef right here.
Choco.
Yeah, Choco. The man who send doing thing for Chris Brown. Chris Brown. Them man prepare lunch for Chris Brown. Them man they supposed to come back.
Yeah.
Of course. Yes, must come back.
Great,
So,
Chris Brown.
apart from Chris Brown, who else is the big star? You look about things like that.
No, really, no more star.
No more stars.
Just regular, nice, decent people. Community members and working people.
Nice.
You know?
Come right off here. So
Right off. Community members.
Nice. Yes.
Sir.
So we are reason with a great man Chuku right here. Why don't we get a name there from it? How we get a name there?
Why never know? I'm from about the name.
They call it Chuku.
Yeah.
Yes, man, it's Chuku here, man. Yeah, man, in the kitchen with Chuku, man. Yes, so I teach me how to make burger.
Advertiser in the community.
Ah, so everybody know your boy here?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. So what on there, Chuku? This is something I want to man. You do tea too? You do morning time?
Morning time, yeah.
Oh, what on there, man?
A pumpkin. A pumpkin do that part there morning.
Oh, so pumpkin and the man who look about like tea a morning time and them things.
And them
I was
things,
tea stuff them.
Pumpkin do
So what
that
on there? We look like egg and bread.
Egg and bread.
Nice.
Anything you come in the order you want.
Anything out there, you get it.
Right.
Nice. The morning egg and bread. So you know you cook food like callaloo and dumpling and anything. You fry dumpling.
No, just light things.
Light stuff.
Bread and regular,
and
yeah.
sandwich.
Nothing hard. Sandwich.
Or burger and tea.
Burger and tea. Sandwich really. Nothing.
Great. So guys, you can come down and try your Milo tea, cocoa tea, and you know, great coffee tea with your burger.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
In the morning,
Everything
coffee
there.
tea and burger. That's supposed to taste nice.
Everything
of
there.
course.
Everything
Yeah,
there.
Everything there, the great Chucky man say.
Yeah,
Yes,
everything there.
So Chuku, so like I tell about this, you know, you like me them watching like a karate movie.
Yeah, anything they want them watch. Like channel them up on the TV, that's choose what
so
they
they don't want free
like,
theater.
if you look now,
Yeah.
that man I watch. This man you know.
Yeah.
So them watch all Western.
Oh, the Western. So the Western man this.
Yeah, and soldier.
It's a soldier, I like the letter
Soldier.
Western.
That man I blow
You're
trumpet.
thing there.
That man I blow trumpet that camp.
Hey, what is it?
Trumpet in black camp.
Oh, so what you grilled trophy.
Musician that camp.
Oh, yeah, say. Are you doing what about?
Yeah, man.
I like Chuku tell by you.
Dancer.
Oh, say that way in the army.
Yeah, used to.
Used to. Oh, so just come retire and just come kick back with your friend Chuku.
Yeah.
Watch the movie.
Chocolate fries and burger and jerk chicken. Yeah.
Ah, yes, man, that's the great fireman right there, so you know. Yeah, man, not really talk much.
Auntie Dana driver that. Auntie Dana driver.
Auntie Dana, so everybody know Auntie Dana. This is
Everybody know
Auntie
Jerry.
Dana driver. Great Jerry. Yes, man, this is a great Jerry, man. So Jerry, what on it? What time is it? Time I'm flexing it tonight.
I love time that
Time gone home. So Jerry said time gone home, you know. Yeah, man, say the rest of the time you must see Jerry, you know, but it's Jerry tonight when it's the time.
I'm Like see Chuku is a man love flavor like and crack and people and you know. When they sit down and watch him, you know.
Things like taking you through the lead states, believing that they're in bigger meaning. Again, this is something
Jerry! So I said Stroop is like him name at Tahal, brother. Yeah, man. Alright. Bring it on, check over the unit, right? So, yeah, man, all that taste guys and I'm so going like this.
Incorrect. Jesus, having knowledge, repent. In the New Testament, Jesus reportedly wept after the death of which man? Incorrect. Lazarus. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual question. Say Hughes, look at the monitor and identify this form of domination. That is correct. Mason, Jamaican affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this form of Governor General.
Stop chat now.
Alright.
You know what I want to know? Let me tell you.
Incorrect, Sir Howard Cook. Science. St. Hughes, what is an epidemic that spreads rapidly from one country or continent to another called?
Pandemic.
Creating right here.
Science, what word describes diseases that can be spread from one person to another?
Yeah, guys, so I'm going to enjoy my little burger, fries, jerk chicken. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna let you guys know how a taste bud think about great tea right here, you know. Yes, guys, so you're gonna enjoy with me right now. Wow. Yeah, man. Like I die right now, guys. Well, your fries them taste, and it tastes highly at all. You make it soak out, you make it leak out or something. Yeah, man, it tastes highly at all. Beautiful. Chicken taste out. Well, 1 week I see this from. Tastes like a season from 1 week. What long the season is? Yesterday. Just well seasoned, guy. Whoa.
Chicken don't need enough time for marinating.
Okay, don't need enough time to marinate.
Chicken don't need that two marinate.
Just good, man. Good, man.
Succulent and nice.
Yes, nice. Very good. juiceful. Yo,
Two pieces.
guys.
Correct. Local
Whoa.
politics coach. General knowledge for use and use. Belong
Guys, trust me.
to capital of which African country?
I can't wait to taste the burger. I can't wait to taste the burger, guys.
So I want to say can't complain. Hold on, no, man.
So this is a great burger. Yes, got a great burger right here. Come up some more. So much for a cost like this?
Yeah, 50.
Yes, for something like this. Nice. Nice, trust me, guys.
Then, social studies, if you were seated in the Royal
Wow.
and lead stand in which Republic the Caribbean cricket ground
Barbados. Barbados.
Guys, I'm having fun. I'm having fun right here. Need to calm down. So, I'm literally in the kitchen really. You understand? I'm in the kitchen because outside is a little bit noisy. Domino playing and then knocking. So, I come right here to, you know, to enjoy my chicken and burger. And this is just $8.50. Wow. So,
Incorrect. 36 mathematics, and we don't have time.
like I said, guys,
For any more questions in this,
you can come down with your family and your friends. Before I leave, I'm going to ask him to put his number in the description, so you could call if you come in, you know, and call and make it harder for your friends, or you want to come down and, you know, skip the line. You just make a phone call and say, oh, prepare that for me till you come in and think. Guys, trust me, well recommended. Trust me, guys. Wow. I am not going to leave it, and I'm going to take on them on the domino table. I'm a matcha. I'm going to test them out there. Yes. Beautiful. Choco no madu man. So choco thing bad, brother. Choco thing bad. Choo choco. Wow, guys. Choco thing bad. Wow. So, I'm going to finish devour this in the car. And watch me eat and I laugh. So I'm going to laugh with myself in the car, so them not see me I finish eat this. Yes, man. Nice. So, Choco! Yeah, man. So the great Choco is here. Choco is here. So, Choco, I want you left your number in the description, so
Yeah, Miss Brown.
you could call.
Okay.
Ooh. Wow. Beautiful, man. Nice. Someone called for the order, Choco. Someone just called for the order. So that's why I'm going to make Choco left his number in the description so you can also call. You know, so Choco over there, just get a phone call. Right over there. Great Choco. Nice. Went to the fryer right there. Wow. So Choco, I want you to leave the number in the description, man, so them can call.
396
396
86
86
54
54.
and of course 876 before.
Ah, the great Choco.
Great chocolate.
Choco, the way this nice now. I want one more for go. Now I gotta make sure I purchase one to carry go make some of the taste.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Alright.
It's 2 pieces.
Yeah, man. I
2
think
pieces,
that's
come
it.
in.
Yes, man. I need another one. So the wait nice, I have to buy it twice. Yes, man. Wait nice, I gotta buy it twice. One leave me to another. Yes, man. I need it. Woo. Great, nice. So like I said, guys, like, share and subscribe. We find them everywhere they are. David Facebook will hook you up again. So peace out.